Becoming a first-time parent can be terrifying by itself, but one family in Kansas City had even more concerns. Their new baby arrived over the weekend.
Their baby came early, and oh, by the way, during a blizzard. New at 9, Fox 4 Shannon Russo spoke with them about an unforgettable ride to the hospital, and then what followed. She's live at University Health tonight with their story. Shannon.
So their original due date was this Saturday, January the 11th. And when they first heard that many months ago, of course, they knew that January, it's most likely going to be snowy, but they never expected what we saw over the weekend.
Then look this way.
If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then new parents Taylor Penny and Jalen Rose have quite the tale.
I will definitely one day, once she can understand, be telling her about her birth story.
With baby girl Azalea safely in her arms, Taylor takes us back to Sunday night.
It's still a dream, to be honest.
This is what it looked like outside. Taylor went into active labor around 8 p.m. as a blizzard was pounding the Kansas City area. She called an ambulance 2 hours later, figuring it'd be the safest bet to get to the hospital. Her husband, Jalen, rode up front, while paramedics took Taylor's vitals in the back.
This is going to be a very dangerous and sketchy ride.
Once on the highway, they started to slide, despite their slow speed. As they made their way to University Health, it was almost impossible to see anything.
I asked him, do you recognize which roads we're at? And he said, I don't recognize the city right now.
Using GPS to lead the way, they safely pulled into University Health as the worst of the storm came to an end. At 7:30 the next morning, baby Azalea made her grand entrance, not knowing about the treacherous ordeal it took to get her here.
She is our first baby. It's a blessing.
I'm just blessed that she's a healthy and content baby.
And we are happy to report that the family is back home tonight, hopefully getting a lot of rest as we prepare for another potential chance of snow Thursday night. Hopefully, Lauren, that drive back home was not nearly as terrifying as the one that they took trying to get here just a few days ago.